What do you think about the euro? Hasn't it been overbought for too long? Is the Fed
Too long. Yeah, it's too long, too many days.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't really understand the second part of this, but I guess general thoughts on the euro.
Is the question that I'll give you a better question, or maybe a question. Isn't it wrong that the euro is going up? It's such a terrible place. You know, they're terrible fiscally, terrible capitalists, terrible. They're not as aggressive as Americans have been on fiscal spending. I can't say that any other way, right? The U.S. is way worse on the margin right now, both in terms of money printing and buying. We're buying fixed income ETFs that have junk bonds in them, right? Europe is considered conservative relative to the U.S. right now. So the answer fundamentally, if in your head, is Europe's just a socialist, left-leaning place that's willing to bail things out forever, not even close. Understand, open up your eyes to what's happening in America. It's amazingly bad, okay, when you start to think about it on a relative basis. If the euro and the Swiss franc can look that good for, like you said, it's not too long. There's no such thing as too long in macro. All right, top end of the range for the euro, I believe, is around 117. So it got to the top end of the range. By the way, most of these things, like most of the angst, it shouldn't be angst, it should be thanks. I haven't had one thank you yet today, but that's fine. It's okay. I don't need to be thanked. I just want to take away your angst, and in the end, you'll thank me for that. Because again, there's no angst when I have a position, my gold position's at 8.5% this morning, and I sell another 50 basis points. I mean, what's that going to call Laura and say my day has been ruined? No. No.
I think what we sort of have in the queue here is people that are worried that they missed it. So
that's a different problem.
Is it too late to get in? And then there are people that are worried, okay, if I don't sell now, am I going to get caught holding the bag kind of thing? So you have these two conflicting.
Well, on that last point, I can't help you with your own issue. Like, if you were dumb enough to be watching CNBC all these years and didn't buy gold back in 2018 or throughout 2019, again, look at 4 different places I circle in that chart, gold chart, that you could have been buying gold. Like, if you didn't buy it, today is not my problem, okay? That was your problem, okay? And now you're going to fix that problem, but you don't fix it by making another bad mistake, which is chasing it up here. Like, that is lunacy, right? The whole thing's lunacy. If you're not buying it when it's for sale and you're worried about not owning enough of it when it's up, I mean, you could define that as a lunatic, right? I mean, and so I don't think that you're a lunatic, but people can go a little bit loony when it comes to their own money. The whole thing is that it's at the top end of the range. The euro's at the top end of the range. Silver's at the top end of the range. The dollar's at the lower end of the range. That's what's happening.
Yeah.
Right? And when it does it every single day for 6 days, or in this case for the dollar for 5 weeks in a row, then you're going to be like, wow, 5 weeks ago would have been a good spot to do it, right? Could have bought gold 5 weeks ago, 5 days ago. Whenever you have an opportunity to buy more, you buy more, and you can sell some today. Let me take away your anxieties and all your fears. That's the easiest thing to do today.